Yes, and we are anticipating some good changes coming up, like you said, in just the next couple of days. Before tomorrow, gear up. It is still going to be a pretty hot one. Starting off tomorrow morning around 72 degrees with mostly clear skies. By the time we get to about 10 a.m., we should be up at about 83 degrees. And then high temperatures heading into tomorrow afternoon, eventually going to climb into those low to mid 90s under full sunshine. So today we actually had cloud cover over us, so it kind of helped to keep us a little less hot, but tomorrow we're not anticipating that. Now, if we hit that 94 tomorrow, we will actually be tying a record set back in 1927. Could be another record-breaking day heading into Monday, but then Monday night, that's when our next cool front rolls in. We'll take a closer look at those impacts and the latest on what's happening in the tropics coming up. Rainfall. First off, there are a couple of rain showers out there tonight. Most of us, though, are staying dry. And also, as we head into the overnight hours, we are anticipating those skies to clear. So unlike today, where we saw a good amount of cloud cover, tomorrow we're anticipating a lot of sun. That's going to continue into Monday, and that could lead to those near record-breaking temperatures for both tomorrow and Monday. And then we're also keeping a close eye on what's happening in the tropics. We have a tropical storm that's going to be heading off to the east over towards Florida as we head into midweek of this next week. So we'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. Outside right now on our 13 alert radar, we have been looking at a few little rain showers over towards Baytown and Mont Belvieu. It looks like now they have really started to dissipate. Could end up seeing another isolated shower or two as we head into the next few hours, but most of us will stay on the dry side. And then as we head into the morning, we're expecting even more clearing. Now, could we still see some isolated rain closer to our coastline tomorrow morning? It is possible, but it's not going to be highly likely. Most of us going to stay dry, and then really by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, some drier air is going to get pulled in from the north, so that's going to pretty much squash our rain chances completely as we head into the afternoon, as well as going into the evening for your Sunday. Tonight, though, low temperature, 72 degrees, again, clearing skies, and then tomorrow, back up into the low to mid 90s. 94 degrees, your forecasted high here in Houston. If we hit that, we would tie the record that was set back in 1928. And then as we head into Monday, those temperatures getting even hotter, closer to 95 degrees. The record, also 95 degrees, so could end up tying that or even topping it heading into early next week. But eventually this front will roll through late Monday going into early Tuesday, and that drier and slightly cooler air will filter on in behind it, making things feel more comfortable throughout much of next week. And I want to show you our muggy meter here. This is showing us really how comfortable it's going to feel outside by looking at our dew points. The lower the number, the drier it is going to be. And notice once we get to Tuesday, we drop below that sticky level. Overall, humidity-wise, it's going to feel really nice throughout the almost entirety of next week, as well as going into this next weekend. We're also going to see a nice dip in those low temperatures. Quick look out of the tropics. We are continuing to track Tropical Storm Milton, expected to become a major hurricane as it rolls east through the Gulf of Mexico heading into the next few days. Unfortunately, it is anticipated to make its way into Florida as we head into Wednesday, most likely as a major hurricane. Back here at home, though, we are watching the heat over the next few days, and then there's that nice dip in temperature as we head throughout the rest of the week. And this same weather pattern could continue into this next weekend and also going into the following week.